blah, 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 blah. So here I am, remaking my engine mounts. That's a good one! Yeah, content! Little progress. So what do we have here? Made a bracket similar to what I've done on the other side. It's shameful knockoff of the Pure Motorsport one. Hey, their design works, so why not? Also, I'm not sure if it's similar to the design they're making, but basically, as you can see, I am making this bracket, so some riser bars and then 5mm steel all around, and then we'll just need a topper slightly bent with 2 uprights, and then I'll probably use this mounting point as well, so we have 4 mounting points, so it actually attaches straight to the thing. So yeah, progress. You're still not subscribed, you're missing out. Click subscribe and that bell icon so you don't miss anything. quite impressed actually with my fabricating skills. Definitely getting better. Well, I think. Obviously somebody who is doing it day in day out, they might have other ideas. But yeah, all I need to do now is paint and feed it back. And here's a complete final assembly. This is looking good, if you don't mind me saying that. I reckon will be plenty strong to support the engine and the gearbox in place. So yeah, one job off the list. Tick!